Hi guys, today I'm cooking burgers in a game that's literally called Cook Burgers. And look how dirty this place is. Look at all these burger buns on the floor. I'm still gonna use some fries that are on the floor, and I will fry these up.
Bruh.
Dirty this place is. Look at all these burger buns on the floor. Let me just drop these in here, and I need 2 batches of fries for these fellow customers.
Did you just see me pick up fries from the ground?
Boop. And now I need to wait for them to be perfectly fried. No, she's gonna steal my plate.
Run.
Y'all better not steal it. Who wanted fries? Oh, this person over here. And that person. I have a plate. If you can't see.
Oh no, that's the chef who picked up the food from the
order to
store.
a burger.
What do you mean?
Bruh.
What do you mean I need a plate to serve this? I have a plate right here.
Oh, you have to drop it. I bet someone's stolen my fries. Oh no, they haven't. Okay. Let's get the money. Okay. Boop. These guys are calm. They do not snatch stuff, which is a good thing. We want some action. Yeah, just gotta put this guy somewhere nice. Have a nice time. Have a nice time in there. It should be nice and cool. Anyway, besides taking the customers there, I will go to the supermarket. Where are the customers coming from? They're coming from this little dark tunnel. Anyway, let's see what we can buy in this tunnel.
Did she just call my store a tunnel?
Bring an item to buy. There's money. There's a piece of money here. There's a 5 money, a 5 money, and a 1 money.
Oh my god.
I kind of want to buy the mysterious potion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do I have enough money? Yes, I do. I have 420. Okay. Okay, let's play some money. Let me drink this money. Let me drink this money.
Let me drink this money.
Let me interact. I'm a cat! Yeah! This is cool, but what can I do as a cat? Place it there. Okay. Hahaha, I stole your burger. Now what do I do with this? Here we go. Here's a burger that's unfinished. Is that person still in the fridge? Or has someone taken them out?
Bruh.
Oh, there's a cat. Guys, look. There's a cat. Okay, I'm actually gonna make a burger. Get a plate. Gonna take a sauce.
Apply. Hello? It's not letting me turn it around. No, don't you take my sauce.
Wait, I don't even have a bottom. I don't even have the bottom of the bread. Oh, there's tons out here, so I can just grab them off the ground. Okay, got that. We need some cheese, and we don't have to cook it. At least I've made one. Hey, excuse. Why are you taking my burger? Why are you taking my burger? I saw that. I need a patty for my burger. I'm gonna wait for that to cook. My patty is perfectly cooked. And then, I didn't place it on the burger, but oh well. We need a piece of lettuce. No, don't steal my burger. I spent so long on that. Okay. And we need a top bun. I'm gonna be working outside because I don't trust any of y'all. Wait, actually, never mind. I'll just serve it to a customer. Who wanted this burger? No, not you. Not you. Not. Oh, this one. I've got everything, little dude. Okay, rate the burger. Rate the burger. What? What do you mean, meh? And you left the burger bun. You didn't even eat it. You didn't even eat the burger bun.
Okay, now I'm gonna make a burger with 2 cheeses and 2 buns. Okay, let me get 1 bun. I need a cheese, and then I need a patty, and then I need a cheese, and then I need a patty. So let us go here and grab burger meat from the ground. I found one near this mouse hole, and put it on the grill. Okay, let's fry this. Oh, there's another burger patty over there. I can just take that. The main ingredient of the burger. I don't know if it's a good idea to cook these at the same time. I'll just watch this one first. Nobody steal my burger. Okay, this one's perfectly cooked. Place it there. Place it there! No! I placed it on the wrong burger. On the wrong plate. Now I need to get a new one. Okay, let's get a new burger button. I'm just gonna work on the floor because, that's really clean. And then we gotta get another cheese. Yep, just grab a cheese from the bottom of the fridge. Oh wait, I need another cheese. Why couldn't I have 2 hands? And then grab another cheese from the completely clean ground of the freezer. And then now I serve this. Who wants a patty bun? Oh, you. Eat this. You! Don't! Okay, there we go. Please, like it. Sorry, but that's not what it... Yes, it is what you ordered.
Here we go. I'm gonna try make the same exact burger. Or maybe I should aim high and do
The one with cheese patty, lettuce.
I might try do that one. Who wants this type of burger? Not you, not you, not you, not you. Oh. You look like you want this burger. Boop. Okay, please. Say it's good. Say the burger is good. What? What is wrong with my burgers? Rat Buster. Can I open this? What? We're still here? I thought we were driving because it was so bumpy. But we're still here. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. And Rat Busters. Just kidding. I will see you in the next video. And I will not be cooking burgers. Rat Busters.